Picture this problem. You're sat with your child by the side of the swimming pool, waiting for their lesson to start, and they don't want to go. What do? A. Empathise with them and gently encourage them. B. Apply logic and tell them all the reasons why it would be a really good idea for them to go. C. Bribe them. D. Coerce them. Or do you tell them how much money you've spent on these lessons and they absolutely have to do it? Or something else? Well, watch the end of the video and find out that there is another way. What if there was a tool that could help you feel present and connected with your child, that could help your child feel listened to and heard, and could help your child release the negative emotions, in this case, maybe anxiety and worry about going swimming, and was quick and easy to do? Good news that there is. It's called EFT. It stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. It's very easy to learn, very easy to apply, and it works very quickly in most cases. So what I did is I did EFT with my daughter by the swimming pool. It's the first time I'd used it with her. After doing EFT with her for just a few minutes, she said to me, "Mummy, I am ready to go swimming." And I was as surprised as anyone. And she was very happy and content, and it didn't require any force or coercion or any other tools or techniques. And since then, I've never looked back. I've used it a lot throughout my parenting career, and not only that, I've taught hundreds of mums to use it as well. And the feedback I have had is absolutely phenomenal. Not only have they used it with their children, but their children have started using it themselves and with each other. When one mum was feeling anxious and upset, her daughter came up to her and said, "Mummy, you need some EFT." Because if you don't have some kind of parenting tool that you can use to help you feel more connected with your child, to help your child feel more heard, and to help your child release their negative emotions quickly, it can be quite challenging. So do check out my stress-free parenting course. The details are on this video.